and I'm trying out the GoPro here. We'll add this footage in with it if I'm able to use it. So if you see this here parting, then this is filmed on the GoPro. Still trying to figure out how to use it and how to get the footage put on so we can edit it and use it. But the only way to learn is to keep experimenting with it and keep trying it. This is my normal rig that we use. Just a tripod with my iPhone on it. And this is a old selfie stick that we've got put on here. And the wire just attaches into the phone. So that way I can click it to start and stop it here, to try to keep from handling my phone when your hands is greasy and stuff so much. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping in and watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We're fixing to put the cylinders back on the backhoe that we rebuilt the other day. So come along with us and let's try to get it put back together. Alright, we're going to try to put it back together. As soon as I pull this glove off, buddy, you're going to need to put your finger in there and get some oil. Just rub them around it. Make sure your grooves is scattered apart. Alright, turn that one. Yep, there you go. Nice and straight. Let's get it hold up. Just ready? I'll push it on in. Put your grease fitting down.
It is.
No, your grease fitting's up right there, ain't it? Okay. Twist it. Twist it. Yeah, right there. Alright, you gotta pull it out. That's a fuzz.
Alright, here we go right in. See, I know how to line stuff up the easy way.
Alright, put your shim back there. Let me know how you going. Oh. Gotta line the hole up out here for the bolt. Okay, you ready?
Nope. No, I need like a screwdriver or something because the washer's out of reach now.
Alright, you got it. Alright, look on the floorboard right there. And there should be a bolt. A 3/8 bolt and a nut. That holds your pin in. Now we got a snap ring that goes on the back. Alright, now I don't have to touch the screen every time. Alright, now we'll get the channel locks and we'll finish tightening the cylinder up and put the screw back in. A little bit more. I would say that's it right there. The fun part's gonna be not dropping this little sucker. Alright, that size in, let's put the snap ring on it. We just oil them up and make them slide easier and try to keep from scratching them. Make sure your grooves is opposite. Nice and straight. I'll go ahead and bring that on in if you can. There you go. Do it again.
It's gonna push.
And pushing. You need me work the handle?
Well, it's just like, you hang it. Which way does this go?
Just pull out. Now we got to line the hole up on this side. Get the bolt in. Just keeps your pin from falling out. Scoot you around there so I can get here to work. Hole coming up there for my bolt, so now I gotta watch it so I can stop it in the right spot. I think that's it. Should have took these gloves off so I don't drop this little screw. I think we got it. All right, that's it. Filling it back up with hydraulic oil. So when we start it up and it purges the cylinders, maybe everything will be good. Not quite, y'all. Just about. You guys ain't gonna never believe what we jerking it off with. Can't wait to hear what y'all tell me about that. Let's see if it works. Alright, let's try it. Oh, just about. Boost it on. Easy go gas golf cart. I think it's probably been 3 months or so since we cranked it. The last time it was used when I was burying that cow in that video, y'all.